Hello everyone. Full Site Editor in WordPress lets you modify your entire site's design, including templates, blocks and patterns. Today, we will learn how to customize your documentation using the Full Site Editor with BetterDocs. Before getting started, make sure you have installed BetterDocs on your website. Also, to access the Full Site Editor, you must have at least WordPress version 5.9 running with a block theme like 2022. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to Editor from Appearance to open the Full Site Editor. Once inside the Full Site Editor, go to Templates. BetterDocs brings you 4 amazing pre-made templates to help you get started quickly. You will find Docs category, Docs page, Docs tag, and multiple knowledge bases as BetterDocs templates. Then go to the 2025 tab to access the theme-related templates, and, if you go to All Templates, you will find all the ready templates. Now, with the Docs category template, you can easily create and organize your documentation categories directly from the Full Site Editor. Just click on the template, and you'll be able to adjust categories to match your needs in real time. Next up is the Docs page template. Choose the Docs page template and start customizing with ease. If you need a way to organize your tags, the Docs tag template is perfect for that. You can integrate content from various sources, making it easy to organize and display your tags the way you want. You're not just limited to the pre-made templates. You can also add your own custom templates to the Full Site Editor. From the Templates page, click on Add New Template, choose where it applies and create a new one for your documentation. To create a custom template, simply select Custom Template, give it a name, and hit the Create button. It will then ask you to choose a pattern. Once done, open it for customization. In the Blocks section, you'll find useful blocks like the Print button, Breadcrumb, and Category Box/Grid, which you can drag and drop to build your ideal documentation page. Moving on to the Patterns tab, you will see all the patterns there. Then choose your preferred patterns, such as Single Doc, Contact, Footer, and more, that you want to use on your documentation page. Once you're happy with your custom template, just save it. Next, go back to your Full Site Editor, navigate to Templates, and you'll see your newly created template. And that's how BetterDocs is making full site editing easier than ever for customizing your website documentation. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips.